In this section, I'm going to show you some secret resources and websites that I frequent that will help you write better marketing copy. So whether it's blog posts or email campaigns or whatever you need to write, these resources will help set you up for success. But before I introduce them to you, I want to give you a quick marketing copy hack. One of the most important things about improving as a marketing copywriter is looking and learning from the best. So what I recommend is for you to start building a SWOT file. This is probably the most important hack that you can implement as a copywriter. See, you have the option of just learning on your own and trying and failing and trying and failing as a marketing copywriter, or you can learn from those who are already succeeding. You can look at their success, look at other writers, look at other copywriters, look at other content creators, and see what's resonating with their audience. See what's performing, see what's making results, and then put it in a SWOT file. And so I'll actually show you some tools later that will help you build a digital notebook that you can put these SWOT files in. But for now, just look at these websites, make note of them, and then as you progress in this course, as you progress in your career, start going back and studying what people who are already successful, see what they're doing and try to learn from them. Try to take what they've done well and then tweak it and make it your own. Take what they've done well and make it your own, specific to whatever you're having to write about, whatever you're having to provide to a client, whatever it is that's your niche. Use what's already working to help set yourself up for success. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can actually look at what people are already doing, it's already performing well, and then make it your own.